In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark in Luminar Neo. Watermarking is a simple way to protect your work and reinforce your brand, and Luminar Neo makes it quick and flexible. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you feel confident doing this on any image. Begin by opening Luminar Neo and loading the photo you want to watermark. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can see the layers panel. If you don't see it right away, look toward the top left area, or find the plus icon that opens your image and layer options. Being in edit mode is important because that's where you manage multiple layers, including your watermark. Next, add your watermark as a new layer. In the Layers panel, click the plus button under My Images, then choose Load Image. Navigate to your watermark file. This could be a logo, a handwritten signature, or a simple text image. PNG files with transparency are ideal because they keep the background clear and prevent a distracting box from appearing around your mark. JPEGs will work, but they usually carry a solid background. After you select the file and click Open, Luminar Neo places it on top of your photo, typically at about 50% opacity, so you can see how it sits over your image right away. Now it's time to position and refine. Click and drag the watermark to the spot you prefer. Many photographers tuck it into a bottom corner, but choose a location that doesn't block important details. Leave a bit of breathing room from the edges so it looks intentional and won't be cropped out on different screens. To resize, drag from the corners so the proportions stay clean and the logo doesn't look stretched. If it appears too large or too small at first, adjust until it feels balanced with the composition. Keep an eye on image quality. If the watermark looks pixelated, try using a higher resolution version of your logo. Fine-tune the look in Layer Properties. Use the opacity slider to control how bold or subtle the mark appears. A range between 30 and 80% is common. Lower values feel discreet, while higher values are more assertive. For most situations, the normal blend mode works best because it keeps colors true. If your photo has complicated textures or bright highlights, you can experiment with other blend modes to see if they integrate the mark more naturally, but keep it tasteful so it doesn't compete with the image. That's it. Open the photo, add the watermark as a layer, position and scale it, then dial in opacity, and, if needed, try a blend mode. With these steps, you'll create a consistent, professional watermark in Luminar Neo every time.